Okay, so I'm just going to show you the final, what it's meant to look like, and then I'll help you out with your animations. Okay, so let me just see. Great. Okay, so if I press present, then okay. Okay, your this is what yours can look like. Um, I'm now going to show you a few of the techniques with the animation that can help you. I'm not going to go into detail with the font and things like that because I think you should know how to do that and you can play around with that and find out on your own. I'll just show you how to do the effect and the animation now. Okay, so yep. Okay, so I've shown you what it looks like. This is now a blank one, so I've copied and pasted it. It's a blank one, there's no animations on it. I've fixed the fonting, it's exactly what I want it to look, but now I'm going to add some instructions to make it more entertaining. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my title, and I'm going to, so if this is not appearing on your screen, this is appearing on your screen. If you select what you want to animate, you click on animate, and then I would like it to zoom in. Okay, so I'm going to click on zoom in, and here it says on click. So every time I click my space button or my mouse, it should follow the instruction. So I'm going to zoom in and I want it to be quite fast. So I'm going to select that. Okay, and the next thing I want to animate is this. So I'm going to click on the next thing, add animation, and I want this to appear on click, and I want it to appear with these two pictures. So this is really important. So you click on the picture that you want to animate, add animate, and then I want this to appear from the bottom, fly in from the bottom, and where it says on click, okay, we are going to change this to with previous, yeah, and then I'm going to do the same for the next picture. So I need to click on the picture, add animation, and I want this also to fly in from the bottom, okay, and I'm going to leave this on click so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now, there's one more thing left to do, the Did You Know box, right? That's going to come right at the end. So I need to put them in order of how I want them to appear. So I'm going to click on my Did You Know box, add animation, and I would like this to zoom in as well. I'm going to make it a little bit slower, okay? And yep, let's have a go. So if I play, I click title, I click, and then I click. Right, can you see how these two came in together and then I clicked for this one to come after? I don't want that to happen. I want the pictures and the text to come at the same time. So I'm going to need to click with previous. So let's try that one again. I'm going to click for my title, click for all three to come together, and then click for my Did You Know box to zoom in, okay? And that is the end of my slide. And that's basically it, guys. This is all you need to know. So what's really important is that you identify your animate box button, okay, option, and then just have a little play around with all of these different things. They're really fun. If you wanted, you could put two, you could almost, I don't want this one, sorry. You could almost put two animations. Yeah, so you could add animation if you wanted. And after your zoom in, you could give it a spin. So if I showed you, if I play it, click, click, and then you can add in your information. So you can add 2 animations. I could now, if I wanted, click on this one, add animation, as long as it's under the correct one, and then I could give this a spin, and I could do the same thing for this one, add animation. I'm going to move it here. Actually, I'm going to move this one there, and then I could give this a spin with previous. Okay, and let's see how this one works. Click, spin, appear, spin, appear. Okay, right, this challenge will test your resilience, it will test your creativity, and it will test your problem solving. If something doesn't work, it's fine. There's always an undo button. Just keep trying, just try and have fun with it. Because yeah, for me, it's like super, super, super fun. I hope you found this helpful, and I cannot wait to see all of your amazing presentations. Okay, guys, don't forget, if you've got questions, please do comment below. Or ask, and we can give you a call or help you through Google Classroom. Bye.